How to fix stuttering lagging issue in iOS 18. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and scroll down and click on general and click on software update. Here you can check your latest iOS version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update, then update it. After updating latest iOS version, restart your iPhone. For restart your iPhone, press and hold power button and volume down button at the same time. And slide this icon to right side. After restarting your iPhone, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fixed, then free up some space to delete unused apps, photos and videos, and free up some space. And after that, close the background apps. After doing this, your problem will be fixed. And if it doesn't fix, then open settings and go in general and scroll down and click on transfer or reset iPhone and click on reset all settings, and here enter your passcode to reset all your settings, and it will be confirmed to reset all the settings. It will be reset all your iPhone settings but never destroy and other data like photos, videos and other personal data. It will never destroy. It will only destroy reset all the settings. So after resetting all the settings, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.